Uh, we
Hi, good evening.
Hey, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Hi.
You are Emiliano, right?
Yes, that's me.
Okay, perfect. Um, okay, Emi. Can I tell you, Emi?
Yes, of course.
Okay, perfect. So, as you know, we're a new company right now in the industry, in this industry.
Yes.
So we are a different company. Okay, we use different materials, as you know, to create our final product. We use trash. Okay, and well, we have special machines and different process that other companies don't. So we have a mixer machine and a crusher machine. Okay, so Bibi is going to tell you right now some skills, some things that we need, and well, please. Bibi.
Okay. Well, as you may see in the profile we're looking for, we want someone who can operate the equipment and the machinery. And also someone who can supervise the staff and the whole process. And that's basically what we need in our
Okay.
company.
So we want to know a little bit about your experience. Can you talk about that, please?
Okay, yeah, well, I have a degree on master in technical engineering, as well as
Okay.
I've known for quite some time in my life now how to work machines and around them. So my last work was in Cemex. I worked as a chief officer in the whole area of maintenance, and I worked with the machines. I attended to them. I worked around them. I operated them as well. So I think that's a pretty good way to resume my whole experience.
Okay, perfect.
Okay.
That's
Can you tell us why did you left your previous job?
Well, the contract was specifically for a certain job that I needed to do. So once the job was finished, they let me go. You know, I mean, in the end, that's how I wanted it, because I had to take some time for my family, and yeah,
Yeah.
I have two kids. So yes, I take time for my family, but now I'm willing to work again, and I actually need to start working again to support my family. So I would like to work here.
Perfect. And now, can you tell us more about your strengths, please?
Well, yeah, I like to work in a very positive environment. I am very prone to work as a team member. I
Okay.
like working with others, and I'm very hardworking and dedicated to my job.
That's
Perfect.
cool. Can you tell us a weakness or weaknesses you have?
Well, maybe I'd say that it's my my usual risk taking. I like taking risks a lot. I mean, that's usually good, but I understand that it can be a little bit. I wouldn't say risky. I mean, yeah, but perilous at times. Like, it has its pros and its cons, like everything. And I'm also a little bit sensitive with everything, like in my life.
How did it go for you, like taking so much risk in your previous job?
Well, it came out pretty well. In the end, we managed to complete the project as they asked us. Well, me and my team, the one I was working with before. So I think it went pretty well. Luckily, we didn't come up with any problems, and everything came out pretty fine. But I mean, I'm aware that it can come out as an inconvenience taking too many risks at times.
Okay, perfect. Emmy, now, how do you think you're different from others, talking in a professional manner, of course?
Well, I'm very prepared. I know 3 languages. I know the specific profile you're looking for. I am perfectly capable of doing all that you're asking me to. Like I told you, I've known machines pretty much my whole life. I've worked around them for like 15 years now, and I am pretty hardworking, like I said, I really like to get into my job and do it, and I won't rest until it's done. You know, I like to finish what I'm doing, so I can go home, peace of mind.
Okay.
And finally, describe yourself in a word.
Passionate.
Passionate. Okay. Perfect. So, well, Emmy, we will check this information, and well, thank you for coming and for your time.
Yeah, it's been a pleasure.
Thank you.
I hope
Thank
I
you
receive
so
good
much.
news.
Okay, yeah, we will call you.
Thank
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. This is from-
Good evening.
Oh,
Hey.
good evening.
How are you
Good
doing?
morning.
Hi.
And you?
Nice to meet you.
I'm great.
Yeah,
Roberto, right?
Yeah,
Okay. So that's your.
yeah, here's my resume.
Okay, perfect. Well, look. How are you?
I'm doing great. And you?
Perfect. I'm fine. Look, as you know, we are a new company in this industry. We are concrete trash, okay? We use different materials to create our final product, okay? As you know, we use trash, but we need it's a different process from the normal concrete, okay? We have two types of machine right now that are like the basics one, the crusher machine and the mixer, okay? So right now we're looking for someone who can help you, okay? So Bibi is going to tell you more about that.
Well, as you may see in the profile, basically what you have to do in general, you need to operate the equipment and the machinery. You have to supervise the staff and report any problem with the equipment and stuff. So, can you tell us more about your experience, please?
Yeah, well, first of all, I wanted to tell you I'm really amazed about your company. When I saw that job proposal, I think it's a good idea working towards
Thank you.
eliminating trash. So that's why
Thank
I'm
you.
here. And yeah, well, I have one experience working. I'm pretty new in this field also, but I was working with Enel, an Italian company in Coahuila, and I
Okay.
have experience using those two different machines. It was a big construction. They were using solar panels in a desertic area, like 500 acres.
Okay.
So yeah, I have 6 months in each of the machines you told me.
Okay, perfect. That's really good. And why did you quit? Why did it was a temporal job or?
No, it was a big construction, but it was a 6 months
Okay.
period of time till the solar panels were completely installed. So that's it. The job was done, and I was just waiting for a new one.
Okay,
Okay.
perfect.
Can you talk about your strengths?
Yeah, well, first of all, I'm really focused in my job, and I have a really good way of talking with treating people. They understand me usually, and if they don't, I have different ways to explain myself, so they will get the message every time.
Okay, and what about your weakness?
Well, I would say I'm really a perfectionist, so sometimes some special things take me longer than they should because I take more time to do the things the right way.
Okay, perfect.
And how do you think you're different?
Well, I'm really good with people. Plus, my spatial intelligence with things. I'm really good at it. So I would never hit someone or get near even someone because I'm really good at measuring things just in my head. That's my best.
Okay, Roberto, and just to finish this, how can you describe yourself in one word?
Well, I would say perfectionists.
Okay, perfect. Well, Vivi, I know, I think I like a lot what I heard. I think you have a lot of experience.
Yes.
What can you
I
say?
think you can give a lot to this company.
Okay.
Yes. So we will check the information, and we will call you. Okay.
Thank you. I would
So-
like to know about my wage.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Perfect.
Have a nice day.